And basically, if you're out at a shopping mall or in a supermarket...
Oh, I think that's the unbreakable bowl. Don't worry, darling.
It will alert you if your child moves away from your eyesight and you can't find them. Basically, an alarm will ring. Now, if your child... I mean, Matilda's a little bit too small. She won't actually put it on her... That's available from Mother Care as well. Oh, I'm beeping.
Where is Kira?
Someone's run off.
Right. And this is Kira O'Mara, who's invented the mama scarf.
Yes.
Yes? Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah, mama scarf. So this is mama scarf. It's really simple to use. You tie in a double knot at the back of your neck. You loop your arm through, right to feed on the right-hand side, left to feed on the left.
Yes.
And then baby comes up and under here.
Yes.
So you can see baby, baby can see you. There's a hidden pocket here to store a breast pad.
Oh, lovely.
And it takes some of the weight from baby because you're spreading it more evenly across your back.